Now we're going to see about how you can check DV Lottery 2026 results. The first step, you go to your browser. For me, I use Google Chrome. I click on it. After click on it, I go on search. I write DV Lottery. Urabona, as you see, DV Lottery 2026. And then you click on the first website, US Department of State Electronic Diversity Visa Program. You click on it. And wait a moment. May take some minutes because there is menu I'm checking right now. It depends on your connection. Then after reaching this page, you click on check status. And then after you reach about this page, and again you click on continue. And then finally we reach where we put our information for getting the result. The first is confirmation number. I think you have it. Last name or family name. Birth year or birth year. And you copy this number and the alphabet there. For example, depends on my confirmation number. About the last name there, year of birth, and then I copy this alphabet for J Y B H, and then you click on submit. Click here, submit. As you see, based on my provided information, I have been not selected. Let's see. Based on the information provided, the interlee has not been selected for further processing for electronic diversity visa program. This time, please verify that you have entered all information correctly. You may recheck interlee status by clicking on the SEC home page link below. See you soon.